Hello students, in last video we know about Birbal Sahni, the research work that is done by Professor Birbal Sahni. In this video we know about him as a institution builder. He is a founding member of different institutes in India and a polio Science Institute in Lucknow. So let's start it. At that time, it is difficult to publish a research work in foreign journals. At that time, the research work of the Indian scientist is very difficult to publish in the foreign journals. So, Professor Birbal Sahni, C.V. Raman, Meghnad Saha, and others started a new journal in 1932 at Bengaluru named Current Science. Current Science is the Indian journal in which the research work of Indian scientists published. Professor Sahni played a major role in the establishment of Indian Botanical Society in 1920. Indian Botanical Society in 1920. Professor Sahni, C.V. Raman, Meghnad Saha, and 15 other founded National Academy of Sciences, NASI, in Allahabad. Now this is Prayagraj. In 1930, just like Royal Society of London. Just like the Royal Society of London is famous all over the world, therefore Professor Sahni with other scientists established the National Academy of Sciences, NASI, in Allahabad. He also was the president of NASI for 2 terms, in 1937 to 39 and 1943 to 44. Professor C.V. Raman established Indian Academy of Sciences IASC in Bengaluru on 24 April 1934. Professor Sahni served as Vice President from 1934 to 49. That is Indian Academy of Sciences IASC, founded by Professor C.V. Raman. Professor Sahni served as Vice President. Next, he was also one of the 125 founding members of National Institute of Sciences of India, NISI, Kolkata. National Institute of Sciences of India, NISI, Kolkata, in January 1935. Now it is called Indian National Science Academy, INSA. Now it become Indian National Science Academy, INSA, INSA, New Delhi. Professor Sahni felt a requirement of Paleobotany Institute, so he convened a committee of Indian paleobotanists in 1939. He formed a committee of Indian paleobotanists in 1939. Paleobotanical Society was formed on 19 May 1946 in Lucknow. After the committee, he established the Paleobotanical Society on 19th May 1946 in Lucknow. Initial office in the Botany Department of Lucknow University. And he also established a Department of Geology in Lucknow University and remained its head till his death. The Botanical Society that is established in 19th May 1946 resolved to establish an institute of Paleobotany. Paleobotany. Now it is called the Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany, and that is in short VSIP. Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobotany. The foundation stone has 77 fossils. Foundation stone of the BSIP has 77 fossils embedded in it, ranging from pre-Cambrian time, that is older than about 60 crore years, to pre-Christian era. The foundation stone have fossils oldest to youngest, covering a span of time approximately 600 million years. His demise on the 10th April 1949 at the age of 60. At the age of 60. Now we discuss some milestones in Professor Birbal Sahni's life. The book provided by VVM, the date of birth of Birbal Sahni, is not correct. In that book, the year of birth is 1889, but it is not right. The right year is the 1891. So, learn 14th November 1891. The date of birth of Birbal Professor Sahni, 14th November 1891, at Vera, now in Pakistan. In 1911, he graduated from Government College of Lahore. His father also a professor in this college. In 1914, he acquired Tripos degree from Emmanuel College of Cambridge. In 1919, he awarded DSc degree from London University. In the same year, 1919, he returned to India and joined VHU as a professor. After this, he joined Punjab University in 1920 to 21, and again in 1921 he joined Lucknow University as professor of botany. And after that, he continued work in Lucknow University. After 1921, in 1933, he became the Dean of Science Faculty. September 1939, he constituted a committee of paleobotanists. After this, in 1943, he established Department of Geology at Lucknow University. In 19th May 1946, he founded the Paleobotanical Society, and 3rd June 1946, he registered the Paleobotanical Society. This Paleobotanical Society resolved to form a Paleobotany Institute. On 10th September 1946, Paleobotanical Society resolved to establish the Institute Paleobotany with Professor Sahni as a director. 3rd April 1949, foundation of Institute laid, and 10th April 1949, he is no more. Demise of Professor Sahni. Next, we discuss about the honors and distinction given to Professor Sahni. First, President of Indian Botanical Society in 1924. He became President of Geology Section, International Botanical Congress in 1930. Alladi Krishna Swami Lecture in Andhra University in 1930. Founding Fellow of Indian National Science Academy, New Delhi in 1935, and was Vice President of Paleobotany Section of International Botanical Congress, Amsterdam in 1935. Sir C. R. Reddy National Prize for Natural Sciences in 1936. Barclay Medal with Biological Research by the Asiatic Society in 1936. Fellow of the Royal Society of London, UK in 1936. President Botany Section, International Botanical Society in 1921 and 1938. President of National Academy of Science, India, Prayagraj, two times, 1937 to 1939 and 1943 to 1947. General President Science Congress in 1940. Nelson Wright Medal, this is important for your exam. Nelson Wright Medal by Numismatic Society in 1940. In 1945. Nelson Wright Medal by Numismatic. Numismatic means study of coins. Honorable Foreign Member, American Academy Arts and Sciences in 1948. Fellow, Geological Society of Great Britain in 1948. And last, Honorable General President, International Botanical Congress in 1950, not attended due to demise.